welcome back to my channel. So I'll be doing my ninth time skincare routine today, and I'm about to show you guys what I do at night. And yeah, in case you see me looking like this, I'm so sorry. I'm about to go to bed. I'm really tired, but we have to do the skincare routine. I hope you get. So first of all, I'm going to pop this in the freezer. I should have done this a long time ago. I'm going to pop this in the freezer, and hopefully tomorrow I'll show you guys how I use this. I'm supposed to use this night. I'm supposed to use this particular frozen serum this night, but I obviously can't use it anymore because it will take a while to get frozen. And also, please don't mind my grocery bag. I actually went shopping earlier today, and I don't have the strength to unpack it. So I'm just going to pop this into the freezer. So yeah, let's get started because it's actually getting very dark right now. So I already washed my face in the bathroom while I was brushing. I washed my face with my Dove bar soap. If you have any moisturizing cleanser, that would do. I'm so sorry, I don't want to like run back and forth to get here. Hey guys, I had to disconnect my mic because it is not is very low, so I'm already charging the second mic. I'm charging the other mic, and I'm so sorry the video is going to be choppy a little bit, but in the next few minutes or few seconds it will come back. So let's just start because I'm going to do like a face mask this night. So I think I will just like maybe get on with the face mask, and then by the time I'm done with the face mask, my mic would have charged, and I'll come back to finish up the rest of the routine. So first of all, I have washed my face with Dove bar soap. I'll pop it somewhere on the screen. So before I apply the sheet mask, I'm just going to go ahead and apply my toner. This is the toner I use. In the previous video, you guys complained that you were not seeing the products correctly, so this is the toner. So this is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner, and this is what it looks like right out of the bottle. Yeah, so I'm just going to, I don't like putting this on a cotton pad because I feel like I end up wasting the product, so I love pouring it on my palm and then pat it into my skin. Like that way I know that I am actually, putting the product on my skin. And anyone I have left, I just take it down my neck as well. So when I am done with my toner, I will just pop in my sheet mask. Now I don't use the sheet mask every single day, but today happens to be one of the days that I do sheet mask, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop in my sheet mask. I should have done this earlier, but I don't have the time to wait for this. So I'm using the Rice Whitening and Brightening Sheet Mask. So don't be deceived with the whitening, and with the whitening you're seeing here, it doesn't whiten anything. So I'm just using my Rice mask today. We spent summer swimming in a sunset haze, taking color, crazy how fast it fades. Can't call you up when it's late at night, can't call it love, but at least we tried. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head on a downhill dive. Can't call you cool for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I... Okay, the next thing I'm going to apply is my hyaluronic acid, and it was also in the freezer. So this is the hyaluronic acid I am using. I don't know if you guys can see it correctly, but this is it. So I'm just going to apply like 2 drops of this. Is it miscommunication? Silence in between. One more awkward conversation.
where we don't say what we mean. We've been distant.
You don't just apply products upon product. Once you apply one product, try your best to allow that product to fully absorb into your skin before you go in with the next one. And certainly when you're using tretinoin, you don't want to apply tretinoin when your face is still looking like this. So I'm just going to wait a little bit and then I'll come back to continue the routine. I use this one from Melarina, 0.025.
Waiting on the ice to break. Can we fix this if we get out of our own way? Can't call you up when.
So when you want to start using this as a beginner, you don't want to use this every day. You have to like gently build your tolerance before you start using this very often. I would really suggest that if you're a beginner, you can even start as low as once a week or twice a week. Then as your skin builds tolerance, you can increase it to probably maybe 3 or 4 times in a week. So currently, I'm using this 3 times a week because I've been using this for a while now. So 3 times a week is okay for me. Then, if you are using tretinoin, you will never, ever, ever want to stay without sunscreen, especially if you know you're going out. Okay, if you're using this at night, make sure that in the morning you are using a lot of sunscreen. So please don't forget that. So I'm using this at night, so I don't really need sunscreen right now. During the day I am mostly indoors. I don't go out, I work from home. So but even at that I still apply sunscreen in the morning just because of the rays that are coming into the house in the morning. I don't know if you guys understand. So finally, I'm supposed to apply this in the beginning. This is an essence. This is the snail mucin. But because I am not using any other moisturizer, like I said in my previous video, I didn't repurchase my moisturizer. I'm going to use this last. And normally after using this, you're supposed to go in with a sunscreen. But for the fact that this is night time and I am not going out again today, I'm not going to use sunscreen. But please make sure you use sunscreen, and this is the sunscreen I'm currently using. But since I'm not using sunscreen this night, I'm just going to use this Neomucin as the last option. So okay, basically this is my nighttime skincare routine. I think I'll probably just film a morning routine because in the morning I use something different. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of this video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. I reply on my comments. I'm going to reply you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.